you are ruffling the feathers of others without even knowing. There comes a time in everyone's life when we realize we can do whatever it is we desire to do, and we do not know anyone an explanation. We choose what to do, and that means we're living life, and it's a beautiful thing. This video today is about just that. There comes a time that we are living life and choosing to do whatever it is we would desire to do without asking for someone's permission, opinion, or accepting what they say. When that time comes, it is required that we pause and be aware that, hey, I can do this. I can do whatever it is I desire to do for me. No one is expecting me to follow their road. I am not a member of this herd. It is different from me. I'm moving in the direction my soul is telling me to go. And guess what? It is giving me a lot of joy to live that way. Now, facing that requires awareness. Knowing that requires awareness. Doing it requires awareness. Saying you're doing it requires awareness. When you put all of this together, it gives you an attitude. It changes your very, very essence. Your energy and vibration becomes different. Now, that's going to be seen by others. And when they see it, they're going to tell you what's wrong with you. Why are you behaving this way? It's almost like you are a child and you are still a child and they expect you to behave the old way. I wonder if they had control of the universe, of the world, of innovation, how would they trap it as they know it and never let it grow? I wonder, do you ever wonder when someone says, I preferred you when you were like this? I really liked you when you were fat. I really liked you when you drank too much. I really enjoyed you. You were the fun of the party. But there comes a time when you know for sure that you can be and live and behave the way you desire to be, and no one, but no one can tell you you should stop this. You are living your life, and it is your choice, and it is a beautiful thing to experience that. So, when you make that decision though, as I've always said, and you're living your life according to you, you're living the vision of the life that you desire to live. Be aware that you're ruffling feathers. Be aware that those that love you, cherish you, have known you for years are going to be uncomfortable. Don't get angry at them. Remember one thing. This is the most important thing that you must remember, is that they have not allowed themselves to be independent enough of every attachment, not only human attachment of behavior, of past behavior, attachment of what they were doing before that they intend to carry through. And because of that, you are going to be disturbing their peace. It's not that you're disturbing your peace, you're shattering them. They're seeing themselves not able to live their life according to their design without somebody telling them how to do it. So they have to rough you up. They have to tell you you're not good enough. What is wrong if you're crazy? Crazy seems almost like you're being you in that moment, doesn't it? And when they do that, hold on. This is how you're going to learn to behave going forward. Just listen a little bit longer. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. So let's hold on to this. So you made those changes. You decided you're going to live your best life in the moment. It has come to that point, and you do not need permission from anyone to be the amazing person that you were created to be. You embraced your 5 pillars. You are emotionally balanced. You choose how to react no matter the circumstances. You're mentally acute. You're physically strong. You're spiritually worthy. And you're financially independent. And because of that, you are ruffling the feathers of others without even knowing. So you are sitting now and you're questioning, should I just be like before? Or should I continue to embrace the knowing that I do not need permission or validation from anyone to be me? It's living the best life. It's living the vision of my vision of the life I always planned. And it's a beautiful thing. Why am I allowing other people's opinions to affect me and to put me to sit in this moment of deciding whether I'm doing the right thing or not? Let me tell you this. I am here to tell you, be who you desire to be. There comes a time when the responsibilities of youth, the responsibilities of middle age, the responsibilities of old age no longer mean the same. And it's your time to be the person you always imagined and dreamt and desired to be. And if you were to let the opinions of others affect that, you're giving what happens outside of you control on the inside of you. So let me tell you this. Breathe deeply. And when someone has questioned why you're doing what you're doing, why you're behaving how you're behaving, do you know, they will ask you, what are you smiling about? And all of that is because it is showing them what they could be, but they do not believe that they're worthy through the pillar of spiritual prosperity to be that. They're waiting for someone to say, you are free. I let you go a long time ago to be the amazing you. No one is going to tell you that. And they are still waiting for that to come. And that's why your very essence, your very being, doing and being a human being according to your vision of the vision that you had. And now the day is here, is messing them up. Because they have not come to that part of the journey called life. They have not decided that, hey, I can do and be whatever I want, whenever I want. I've got this. And it's a beautiful thing. So, when you're faced with that, breathe deeply and say silently, I made choices and decisions that many years ago that allow me to be me today as you see me. And what choices and decisions you might want to share, because it might enlighten them and they too might embrace their 5 pillars. Emotionally, I always took time, even in a hustle and very busy life, to spend some minutes in meditation and prayer. You could say that. So emotionally, I made sure I did some work, whether it meant I would lock myself in the bathroom from the hustle and bustle of the life around me. Mentally, I always was inquisitive and curious to learn and do new things. And that kept my mind sharp. Physically, I always exercised and a little, not much, went for walks, be in nature. And spiritually, I accepted others as they were, and I accepted me for being me. With all my earthly responsibilities, I carved little moments to nurse my 5 pillars. Financially, I started putting a little aside, constantly working on it like the water hyacinth, always doing my best financially. I nurtured my 5 pillars. Emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. And this is why today I can choose to be the woman or man I am in this moment. I am living in this moment, and I am not responsible to make anybody love me or care for me. I'm only responsible for me right now, and I've chosen to take care of me. I am living my best life. Have a great and a wonderful day, and continue to do just that.